Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, the 7th day of July 2025. In this video, we are going to look into three things. First of all, the insecurity in Nigeria, what they will start doing now, and the reason why they will start doing it now. The second one is about Seun, the Chinese television anchor that interviewed P2B yesterday. He asked P2B a question. If you become president today, will you release Nnamdi Kanu? And we are going to analyze the response of Mr. Peter Obi. And the third thing is that the leak of the strategic meeting ahead of 2027 that they said, Wike and people who are loyal to Tinubu allegedly heard few days ago, and most of the things they said in the meeting that leaked. So we are going to look into these things in this video. Now, when you look at the screen, you can see that kidnappers block road. This is Oyo State, okay, southwest Nigeria. They block the road, and their purpose is just to kidnap people. Now, politicians, as you see, a lot of governors, a lot of even politicians have accused their fellow politicians of sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria, of which most of the time we have seen proof and evidence of what they are saying. Now, what is going on is that kidnappers from across the country, when I mean kidnappers, I'm still talking about the same people that are killing people. Now, they want to resort to massive kidnapping. And the sole reason is because the politicians who are giving them money are turning their mind and eyes to 2027 general election. This is what is going on. You will see many places that you think that kidnapping has ceased, insecurity has ceased. You are going to start seeing kidnapping now. These people need money to buy guns again, to buy ammunition, to continue to do what some politicians who are sponsoring them are doing, according to someone like Governor of Benue State, Governor of Zamfara State, and so many other, people who have truly indicted politicians have said. So you have to be careful over there. This is not a joke. This is what is going on. Now, yesterday, there is a question put forth to Mr. Peter Obi by Seun of Chinese television. And the question is, if you become president, will you release Nnamdi Kanu? So we were expecting yes. But P2B said that, honestly, Seun, I still don't know the exact reason why Nnamdi Kanu was arrested and has been detained till now. I have tried to find out what offense he committed, but I haven't seen any specific thing. Some say it is because of the strong language he uses. Seun, go and check what he has said about me. He has called me all sort of names and accused me of many things. Okay? But that doesn't bother me because I know those things don't reflect who I truly am. So, I don't take them personally. That is why I find it difficult to understand the reason for his arrest, let alone why he's still being held after all this time.
Works in government will change it.
Would this be canvassing for a political solution to the case of Nnamdi Kanu?
For every one of them. I mean, why is he being held? It doesn't make sense to me. Some people say because he used vulgar words and everything. Is there anything wrong? I've not seen it. People just say, oh, using vulgar words. You say, it doesn't bother me if I'm president, whether you call me thief, call me a less man, call me idiot, which they call me today. It doesn't bother me. My duty as a leader is to the common man to put food on their table.
Well, if you are talking about the situation in the South, is it the same way you handle the agitators and those who are killing in the Northeast and the Northwest?
Remember what I said. Different? If there are people I can talk to, I will talk to them. But remember what I said. What's the exhaust reason? I'll deal with it. Let's say tomorrow we have a bandit by name Seun operating in the Northeast. I will look for him. Quote me anywhere.
So that was the exact statement of P2B. I have to write it down. Okay, I have to write it down because even the video posted by Chinese television was not there, and it looks like a mature video. That is not what they usually do before. Maybe they had a mistake, yesterday in recording the conversation or interview. Now, P2B said that up to now that he don't know what Nnamdi Kanu did. Number one, that he don't even know the reason why they arrested him. Number two, and let alone his continuous detention. I will believe what P2B said. Because when you look at the situation around Nnamdi Kanu issue, everyone's supposed to know that, this has to do with politics. This has to do with the politics. And when I mean the politics, it is politics of influence. That this man can disrupt us. This man can, make governors in the southeast to look nothing. People will take order from this man. This man is controlling huge land. They are listening to him. So these are the reasons why they started digging. I made mention of one thing. I said, if government mean you, government, it will not take them like 1 month to throw you into the prison. But the reason why Nnamdi Kanu case delayed up till today is because they did not find anything incriminating against this man. If you look at the whole cases against Nnamdi Kanu, it's a prosaic case. You know what prosaic case means? For example, I did something. I said Nnamdi Kanu said I should do it. Or you hear me saying something, and tomorrow you just arrest me and said you say this thing. Maybe you are the one that caused that thing. The brokers you make or what you said caused another thing. So they are not saying Nnamdi Kanu you killed somebody. They are not saying Nnamdi Kanu you burn buses. They are not saying Nnamdi Kanu you do this. They are saying what you said caused people to do it. It's a prosaic case and it does not exist anywhere, especially when it comes to adults. For example, in Nigerian constitution, it does not exist that someone asks you to go and do something as an adult, you do it, and they will go and hold the person you say he's the one that sent you. They won't do that. The law will exonerate the person. But you, that is an adult that committed that, you will face the law. And secondly, if the person is minor, that is where you'll be guilty of, what you said. If the person is minor, they will assume that the person don't know anything at all. That yes, this person just believe what you said because the person is not an adult. That is what the law, simplifies. But we live in a place where law doesn't work. So people don't even obey the law. So that is a part. Now, so they sent me some informations and I have not verified it, so I will regard it as a rumor that people are allegedly saying it. That the last time they met, councils of Tinubu boys, I call them councils because they are principalities and power that is holding people to ransom. The Wikes, the Omahes. So they said that it was Wike that told them that if they really want to get little vote from the southeast, that they should enter agreement with Nnamdi Kanu. That they should tell Nnamdi Kanu that we are going to let you go. Make sure that you did not disrupt the election. If you agree that people should go and vote, and tell them that federal government release you. That if you can honor this agreement, we will let you go. So this was the part of the alleged plan ahead of 2027. I did not verify this information, and like I said, they sent it to me on WhatsApp. Even the person that sent it to me, I don't know the person. I just have to save the number, save the information. But that is not even enough. One thing people should do, especially people believing in Nnamdi Kanu and have been following him, is that you people must resist everywhere. We must resist any means that these people are trying to use Nnamdi Kanu to play politics. That should be resisted. And anybody that says that maybe his intervention or anything led to the release of Nnamdi Kanu, the person should be, stupid. Because someone cannot be in detention, arrest, rearrest since 10 years. And they have undergone series of court process. Two available high court said that they should release him on condition, and the appeal court said they should release him on condition, and they discharged him acquitted. Supreme Court did not find him guilty. He's still at the federal high court. And you are saying that you are going to negotiate. So the man has fought his battle already. The case of his abduction in Kenya, he won it. So what are you talking about? So people should not allow these people to play politics within Nnamdi Kanu. It should not happen at all. So they said Wike introduced the strategy among other strategies that they should, using Nnamdi Kanu, to win other people in the South. I said, these people anyway, for those people who are going to, play politics to the fullest in 2027, what Tinubu, Wike, and the rest want to do is that they really want to get the whole South on their side because they know that it is over. They know that it is over. But my only challenge with Nigerian politics is that even though they remove Tinubu, another person will come there. The person maybe can try economically, especially if it is P2B. P2B can try to put one or two things together, but he can't solve the problem in Nigeria. He can't. So these are the issues around. And these are the reasons why people should understand the basics of Nigerian problem so that we will stop reacting to emotions. We are too emotional. We, West African people, especially, we are too emotional. We are not like North Africa. In Libya, Morocco, Egypt, Algeria, these people, they think differently. A leader can't hold all these people to ransom if you are not doing what you are supposed to do. What Gaddafi did for the people of Libya, there is no country they will do it and people will not keep quiet and enjoy. Yes, everything about the country resources, the people will benefiting from it. Look at Morocco. Look at Algeria. Look at Tunisia. I have been to Algeria. I've been to Egypt. I've not been to Morocco. I've not been to Tunisia. I've been to Libya. So if you look at these countries, if you have been to this country, either 8 months, 2 months, even 1 week, you will understand their mentality. That is the kind of mentality I ever wish that people in West Africa should have. Because we are too emotional. We fail to understand the critical problem facing us. So anytime we just say, hey, this is the problem, let us do it. At the end, we still remain the way we are. Anyway, that is what it is. Let me know what you think about this issue on ground. So, about the kidnapping issue, as we used to say before, you see, during the 2023 presidential election, remember that the level of terrorists that trooped to the south during COVID, they did the same during the election 2023. So people should be careful again because during election periods, they will still migrate. They will start going to strategic places. These people are not in haste. It could take them 10 to 20 years to come to conquer this country. So if you don't want it to happen, if you're actually preparing to defend yourself, just be alert. For me, I think the people who understand what is going on, they will be the only people that will be safe from everything evil of insecurity that will come. Thanks for having time to listen to this video.